it's Tony, your Pop House Workshop, and we have gotten our laser put together to this point. We've got all the parts together. We still have to put on the air assist. I've got to put the harness, which I've already connected. I think I have to disconnect a couple things and bring it up over the top. Then there's some belt tensioning and things that once I put power to it that will happen. But I wanted to get this video out to show you what I'm going through as I put this together. Maybe a couple hyperlapses in there for fun's sake, just to see me trying to figure out where all the parts go, adjusting screws here and there. But all in all, not a complicated build. I'd like to see one of the instructions on the wiring harness connecting in. I like it just a little more clear on where you run it on the bottom of this rail and up over the top, or if you run it inside somehow. I don't want to interfere with the belts on the inside here. So a little more clarification in that part of the instructions. Otherwise, they were very easy to follow. The parts were well marked. Everything packaged excellent, so I haven't found any damage. I haven't turned it on yet, but that'll be in the next video when we're fine-tuning all the belt adjustments, and that's where I'll need some help from you guys. If you have a similar type of laser, if you can tell me the easiest way to tension the belts to get the best performance out of it, or is it just trial and error? I don't know. I'm going to need your help for that one. So enjoy watching the video and see how I got it to this stage. Okay, as you saw, it was together. This is before that happened. So I've got my instructions. I've got all my parts. I'm sure of that. Now I just got to grab a screwdriver and start putting it together. Okay, step one. It's supposed to look like this. It looks like that. Now, I know that's probably not a big deal for a lot of you, but for me, that's huge. New foray into things like this. Yeah, I put things together before, but this is cutting wood with light. Very cool. So, on to step two. Okay, step two. The laser rail is on. So, on to step three. This should be a quick one. All right, frame's done. Now the important part, we'll put the laser module on. And temporarily tighten her in place. Now the hard part, we've got to connect all these wires. Okay, so you saw we put it together, got everything here. This is the base frame, the laser module's on. I've got the air assist to put on yet. There's going to be some belt tensioning and things like that that I'll have to do, as I talked about in the intro. So again, as I asked in the intro, if you've got a similar style laser, please throw some comments in there. What's the quickest and easiest way to tension the belts, or am I just in that trial and error thing, do it till you get it right kind of thing? Just let me know. So that'll be our next video as I work a little bit more to get this thing finalized. Really looking forward to it, because they've sent a few little sample things to engrave on. So some wood pieces, acrylic there, some black, looks like those could be like keychains. So keychain tags. So yeah, we're gonna have some fun testing this thing out, and then we are going to cut wood and engrave wood with light. I still, when I was a kid, you dreamed about being able to do cool things with lasers. Now we're going to do cool things with lasers in Pop Pop's workshop. So thanks for watching the video. We appreciate you taking your time to do that. We never want to take for granted that you have chosen to watch something that we put out. We're very grateful and thank you very much. So until the next time we see you, get in your shop and do something cool. And remember, you can do this.